Hello guys, in this occasion I will invite you to explore the natural beauty of the West Kalimantan province. West Kalimantan has so many tourist destinations, and one of them is the Sarai Brunyau Waterfall. Have you ever heard of this tourist spot? Come, follow me to get to know this one tourist spot. Sarai Brunyau Waterfall is located in the village of Riam Piang, sub-district Burut, Kapuas Hulu Regency, West Kalimantan Province. To get to the Sarai Brunyau Waterfall from Pontianak, you can use the air route to the Kapuas Hulu district. It is about 45 minutes from Supadio Airport of Pontianak to Pangsuma Airport in Kapuas Hulu. Then, you can choose to take the river or land transportation to the location. From land travel, it takes about 20 minutes, while the river route it takes about 45 minutes. But as long as the journey, you will see the natural scene of West Kalimantan. Sarai Brunyau Waterfall was inaugurated by the Regents of Kapuas Hulu, Mr. Am Nasir in 2017. Although it is new tourism destination presented, but this tourist spot was known by local people since long time ago. It is now increasingly organized with adequate facilities. Even though it is located in the interior, the access to this tourist location is sufficient. Sarai Brunyau Waterfall will pamper you with its clear and cool water and its beautiful forest. Sarai Brunyau Waterfall is not only visited by local tourists, foreign tourists are very interested in visiting this natural attraction. This is because of its unspoiled beauty. Sarai Brunyau Waterfall has its own charm in the middle of the equatorial forest. The source of the spring is clear, flowing throughout the year. The atmosphere is cool, and the surrounding natural scenery will make you feel comfortable to linger in this place. You can also try to climb each step of the waterfall to highest rock. The existence of a pool under the waterfall seems to add the beauty of Sarai Brunyau Waterfall. So, if you have a vacation plan, then enter the natural tourism Sarai Brunyau Waterfall into one of your tourist destinations. I guarantee you will be captivated by its natural hospitality. See you again at the other interesting tourist destination in the province of West Kalimantan. Thank you.